What is key lock principle? Key lock principle is a theory of explaining selective interactions between two different objects. This theory is most common when explaining interactions between enzymes in biology or neurotransmitters in psychology. However, this principle can be applied to industrial automation and manufacturing systems as well. It's most commonly found in process control equipment to provide safety. The key lock principle in an industrial manufacturing application follows the concept that a key must have the same shape to fit a lock. This principle can be applied to any equipment that is operated in a predetermined sequence to ensure the safety of the operator and continued operation of the equipment. Key lock principle is commonly used as a safety system and a lockout or tagout system. The equipment of this principle can be as simple as its name implies and come in the form of a lock and a key. But as technology advances, many lock and key systems are evolving into electrical equipment, such as key card locks, coded safety switches, fingerprint scanners, and more. These devices are created and coded to only work in conjunction with one another. For example, a key interlock will be interfaced with a piece of equipment. If this interlock is a fingerprint scanner, the operator will register their fingerprint to that device. In turn, the device will only accept the registered fingerprint and lock and unlock with the scan of a finger. The key lock principle is simple in theory, but as technology advances in industrial manufacturing, it is put to good use for process control equipment. If you like this information on the key lock principle, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational videos. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.